Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. Today we are going to solve page number 95. So please be ready with your maths book. First we will be solving page 95. Okay? Then after that we will be solving page number 178. Okay? Let's begin, children. Now this is again the mental ability sum. What does it say? A. 10 tens and 10 ones. First you have to understand the meaning of this. What is 10 10? 10 tens are 100. Multiply करना 10 का टेबल बोलना 10 tens are 100. 10 ones are 10. So what we have to do? And का मतलब होता है plus. And says plus. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1 and 1 as it is. So it gives you 110. Right, children? Next, what will you add to 76? ये 76 हो गया. What will you add? This we don't know. To get means is equal to, this is the answer. So what you will add to 76 to get this? Always remember when the first box, see two boxes are there. 1 minute. Space is less. Okay. Now see, suppose if there are two boxes like this, and answer two boxes. If you want to get this answer, or yeah, the second one answer nikalna, this answer is given to you, whatever it is. So whenever you want the first box or second box, what we need to do? We need to subtract, we need to minus. Okay, children. Now see, let's begin now. Now see, children. Now here also see, they have given one number, 176 they have given, second they have not given, and the next is 80. So what we will do? We will directly subtract 80 minus 76. You will get this answer, the middle answer. Now 0 minus 6 you cannot do. Take 1 from 8, it becomes 7, and give 1 over here. 10 fingers up, 6 finger down, you will get 4, and of course 7 minus 0. So the answer you will get is 4. Okay, if you want to check, you check. 76 plus 4, you will get 80. Okay, next, the value of, what is the place value of 7 here? The value of 7 is 700 or hundreds. Okay. Next, again same, the first box we don't know. What you do? You simply subtract these two number. जब भी दो बॉक्स में से एक बॉक्स नहीं रहता है, when one box is not given, we need to subtract. Minus 45. ठीक है, 9 fingers up and 5 finger down. How many left? 4. 4 minus 4 0. So 4 is the answer. Next, now remember children, look at the first number and the last number. जब first number big रहता है, when it is big, and this answer is small, this is small. Remember, when the first number is big and this is small, we always put a minus sign. ठीक है? Please remember that. Next, dash, again one box you need. ठीक है? But it is given box plus 9 is equal to 19. Again beta, 19 minus 9 करिए आप. 19 minus 9. Excuse me. 9 minus 9 0 and 1 as it is, you will get 10. So your 10 answer रहेगा. Again the second box is not given. Again 130 minus 29 करो. 130 minus 29. Here 0 minus 9 you cannot do. Take 1 from 3. It becomes 10 minus 9 will give you 1. ठीक है, 2 minus 2 0. This give you 0. So 1 is the answer. Here simply addition. So 26 in mind. 4 finger up. Forward counting after 26, 27, 20, 29, 30. 26 in mind, 4 fingers up, after forward counting after 26, count on the 4 finger, you will get 30. Now 800 minus 1. How you will do 800 minus 1? Yes children, let's do. Come on, 800 minus 1. Minus 1 means just before number. Before कैसा है? I have taught you. Before 8 is 7. ठीक है? Before 0 9. Before 0 9. Here the answer is ready. See here, this will go to this will go to this will become 7, will give 1 over here, it becomes 10, it will become 9, will come 1 over here, it becomes 9, 9 and 7. Now see this, 5 plus 25 minus 2 tens. First we will solve 5 plus 25. 25 in mind, 5 fingers up, forward counting after 25, 26, 27, 20, 29, 30. This is 30, okay, this is 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. So we have to do 30 minus 20. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2 will give you 1, it will give you 10. Okay, beta? Now, we will be doing the page number 178. Okay, now see children, Priyanka and her friends went to the local stationery shop to buy some supplies for the school, and they buy the following things. What are the following things? A pencil for 4 rupees, book for 15, a crayons for 10, ruler for 3 and eraser for 2. Let's begin now. Now Priyanka says that I paid 18 rupees. She has given 18 rupees to the shopkeeper. I bought two things. So we have to see which. Now it is being 18 rupees. So आप बड़ा number लेना. Big number. You take the big amount. Take the one big amount as 15. So you take 15. ठीक है? Then 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 more. That means this one. Ruler. Okay. Plus 3. देखो. 5 in mind. 3 fingers are forward counting after 5 gives 8. 1 as it is. है ना? So you got book. That means she has brought the book and the ruler. Okay. Now what does Abhishek says? Abhishek says that I have given 25 rupees. Priyanka remember that I bought two things. है ना? He brought two things for 25 rupees. Again you take the big number. That is you take one number as 15. That means book she has purchased. One is book. That is of 15. Okay. Now it's giving you 25. That means the second should be the 10. That is the crayon. See here, you are getting 25. So crayon. What is it? C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons, beta. Okay. When it is the big amount, you take the big numbers. Okay. Now here comes. See children. Now she is saying, Alex is saying, I have paid 20 rupees. And she has brought three things. 20 hai, but three things hai. So you begin with the smaller number. Okay. Which are the three things? छोटे छोटे वाला लेंगे आप. Okay. First you try to take. Okay. 20 है. So let's begin with 15. चलो ठीक है. 15 rupees लीजिए. That means book she has purchased. Let's see what two things will make 20 rupees. 15 and see 5 में क्या आएगा? 3 plus 2. So let us take 3 and 2. That is a ruler and the eraser. Let's see. 5 in mind. 3 fingers are forward pointing after 5. 6, 7, 8. 8 in mind. 2 fingers up. 8, 9, 10, 0 हो गया बेटा. 1 ऊपर कैरी किया. This gives you 1 plus 1, 2, 20. Yes, we got it. So that means one book हो गया बेटा इसका. And then ruler. ठीक है. And eraser. बेटा वो तो आपको करना पड़ेगा. You have to see, you have to add and see and थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. You have to use your common sense here. Now let us here. Yes, let's talk about Salim. Salim has given 32 rupees. He says that I bought an eraser and two more things. Eraser लिया. Eraser is for how much? उसने already खरीद लिया. He is telling that I have bought an eraser. Now he says that I must have also bought two. उसने एक ही चीज दो लिया. Can you guess? Okay, I have also bought two. What? That means something plus two. Something plus two things. What two things he must have bought? Any guesses children? Okay, let's see now. See, पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बुक से. अगर बुक 2 ले रहा है तो do we get 20? 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. No, you get 30. So you cannot. No, he has not bought the book. See, this is how we have to test. Okay, then what two things? Crayon. Yes, 10 plus 10. देखो ऐसा करना पड़ेगा बेटा. 0 plus 0 and 20. That means he has brought the 2 crayons for 20 rupees. He has brought the 2 crayons for 20 rupees and one eraser. That gives you 1 minute. अच्छा 32. अच्छा 32, sorry. Not crayons. 1 minute. It is, yes, it's books he has brought. That means the 2 books he have purchased, the 2 books. Yes children. He said I have already bought an eraser for rupees 2 and 32. Sorry, I thought it is 22. It's 32. That means he has taken 2 books. 5 plus 5, 0 plus 1 carry over 3. Yes, 30 and plus 2 will give you 32. That means he has brought the two books. What he has brought? 2 books. Okay, let me write books here. 2 books. Okay, yes. Next now, yes, she is Shrishti. She said I brought 3 things. I paid 12 of them. Alex, remember that they were all same. She has brought the 3 things, same thing, but thrice same object she has bought. Okay, same thing she has brought. What 3 things she must have brought? Yes, which will give you total 12 beta. Yes, it's coming to pencil. Let us see now. 4 plus 4. It's giving you 4 in mind. 4 fingers up. It's give you 8. Again plus 4. 8 plus 4. 8. 12. So it's giving you rupees 12. See here, children. That means she has brought pencils. 3 pencils for rupees 12. Got it, children? It's very easy. A big thank you to you. God bless you, child. Okay, thank you, beta. Take care.